Alright, mirroring things onto the other side. So here's two examples of that. Let's say I have this item right here, just this one thing, okay? And I need to move it to the other side by making a copy. I can modify center pivot. I can go into my front view and hit D and V, or D on the keyboard. D allows me to move its pivot point into the center of that item, which I really don't know what it is. It's brought right in this area. And if I need to move only one item, I can go Edit, Duplicate Special, Square Box, and I need to move that in a -X, or scale it in a -X. So I put a negative here. So here's X, here's the negative of X would be on the other side, and I apply it. There you go, it's on the other side. Now that's one way to do it. Let's undo that. Let's say I want to mirror the entire object. So if I take this and go Mesh Combine, another way to do it is go into Mesh, Mirror Cut, Square Box. And I look at this item to find out where it's at. So Edit, or Modify Center Pivot. You have to center the pivot first. So it needs to be mirrored here and here, not X. It needs to be mirrored on the Y and Z axes. So again, Y and Z is the topmost thing because that's the one most used. Okay, apply that, and there we go. It's actually mirrored not only here, but also here, and it allows me to say, well, maybe it needs to be a little wider. And it's also connecting the original using the merge with original command. So that is two ways to duplicate items so you can get them mirrored with symmetry on both sides. Now when you're done with this part, you don't use this part, you duplicate it using Command D, and you go on, and now you have this part, and you can tweak and modify stuff on this side and then mirror it over again. So you can constantly keep doing that over and over again, making more and more complex parts. And that is mirroring geometry.